competition for 1996. Rob had an awful good year last year. Just a tough run in four-wheel drive. He has his highs and lows, as everybody does, it seems like in this sport, but that's part of the high-powered world that we do compete in. So Rob looking to get out there and get in front in the point stage for 1996. He and his wife, Tanya, campaigning this vehicle very hard, pulling for actually 9 years now. Farmer, 1,900 acres, Precision Auto Body, Prime Oil Company, Auto White Plug, Spartan Oil, the Continental distributor, as well as a host of other sponsors sponsoring the 1996 season for the Simply Red Chevrolet of Rob Foster. Dad started to get out pulling. His father Dick pulled a modified for many, many years. He got into a 4440 in farm stock division, has now progressed into the four-wheel drive division in the National Tractor Pulling Association. Simply Red, Rob Foster. For Rob Foster, the Simply Red Chevrolet. 281 and 3. Heat more than 5 times the distance that we have out here in the pulling facility tonight for that box to top out. If you would like to put it in 35th here, it would top out in a mere 95 foot. So there's a lot these guys can do with these particular sleds. We here in the state of Michigan feel they are the best as far as pulling weight transfer machines anywhere you go in the United States or Canada. The Thumb Truck Equipment Company sled. Great storm here doing battle with the pulling machines tonight. So a little bit about the weight 1 and 3. Next up, Dodge Band is coming to life. Big Rob out of Chesterfield, Michigan. Top Freeman. 1990 Dodge Dakota. Keith Wax, 640 cubic inch twin motor, making upwards of about 1,200 horsepower. This is Mick's 3rd year with this particular pulling vehicle. He owns a complete lawn care service. E.D. Earl Lawn Care, Teenage Grinding, Precision Transmission, Off-Road Unlimited, Wall Car Fabricators, Indy Cylinder Head, and Dynotech Motorsports sponsoring the Shock Treatment Dodge for the 1996 pulling season. This is a father and son pulling team. His father Earl, a big part of the Shock Treatment Dodge for the pulling season of 1996. Big Rock in Shock Treatment. Giving a good rundown here. Looks to be a little bit short of that lead mark at 281 and 3 set out there by Rob Foster. Looks to be down around that 265 to 70 foot mark. Big Rob, the Shock Treatment Dodge out of Chesterfield, Michigan. 1 and 6, 2, 6, 1 and 6 for Mick. Good solid run, a lot of smoke there. I don't think it's anything real serious. These guys just getting started in their 1996 pulling season. Well represented here today, Ford band. Golden Shout out of Kingston, Michigan, the Red River. Up running Ford machine from up here in the thumb. 1994 Ford F350 is what this truck was born as. 648 cubic inches of net for the aspirated Ford power, making upwards of 1,000 horsepower. Been pulling for 16 years now, actually. He and his wife, Lynn. Production supervisor at Otecker Incorporated. Golden Shout, the Ford running tough. Had a real strong middle of the season last year in the National Tractor Pulling Association Trail. Looking to start out 1996 in the same fashion. Looking on the front of the truck. Boy, I'll tell you what, the number 9 is awful heavy right here about that 260 for third place at the moment. One from the western part of the state, one from the eastern part of the state, ready to just right overtake that mark set out here by Rob Foster in 281 and 3. Coming up next, out of Big Rapids, Michigan, the Chevrolet called After Hours of Mr. Tom Word. 1990 A20 Chevrolet. 600 plus cubic inches of naturally aspirated Chevrolet power, make it better than 1,000 horsepower. This is his second year of campaigning the Chevrolet out of Big Rapids. This particular truck, Tom now has been pulling for 5 years. A single fellow, he's a mechanic by trade. Dennis Buffler and Cruiser Performance sponsoring the After Hours Chevrolet of Tom Word for the 1996 pulling season. Backing up to the sled. Chain will be put in place, the kill switch in place. Pro Stock tractors, you want to get them up, get them in line. Pro Stocks, get them up, get them in line. Tom Harmon, Ed Clock, and Jeff Rapp, Pro Stock tractors. Get your tractors up to the starting line. Green light, green flag. The After Hours Chevrolet, Tom Harmon. The quality care of Inley City Ford. 9 to 9 Monday, Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, 9 till 7, and 9 until 4 on Saturday. So you want to make sure it's just a short jaunt up the road. See the fine folks at Inley City Ford. Also a big part of the Firecracker Series for 1996. Ed, the final competitor here in the 6,200-pound four-wheel drive class, chasing that 281 and 3 set out there by Rob Foster. Simply Red, the Chevrolet leading it right now. Ed being motioned forward by Jim Curry, our starting flag judge tonight. Chain will be brought tight. Green light is on. Craig Storm is ready. Green flag is flying. And no boom. First generation. Second will go to the After Hours Chevrolet, Tom Word. Third today, the first generation Ford, and then no boom. Fifth, actually fourth, will go to the Shot Creek in the big crowd. And sixth will go to the Red River. A roll and shot. We have two in the ball like that. Okay. Tom Foster first. Second was Tom Word. Third was then no boom. Fourth was Nick Kraut, and fifth was Roll and Shot. There we go.